So I used to use a steel cabled winch until I went to the synthetic. Here is what I use for plowing. I've got a 6-foot synthetic rope on here that I just add to my winch cable here. So I'm not always running the winch cable here through the fairlead and wearing it out. Got this extra 6-foot line here that we wear out instead of the 50-foot winch line. So here you can see my synthetic line is just slipped on to the winch line like that, and then on the other end I just tied a knot, simple enough, and slip that on the winch hook, pop my pin in here, and then just insert my quick pin, cotter pin like that, and that saves your winch line from getting worn out over the winter when you're plowing a lot. Pull this off here for the summer.